How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. The FOMC meeting just ended, and I think what Powell actually said was that there was an overreaction to the tariffs, an overreaction in the market to the tariffs. And technically, what we saw in the end was the 80 to 82 level actually maintain a support. Yesterday, during the video, I was expecting further continuation lower, but of course, as I was warning and suggesting this is the final support it could give a bounce from, I was actually thinking it would reject this moving average here, or the 382 fib. If you remember from yesterday's video, I drew something along the lines of a move down into here, which we saw, and then a move back up into the 382, which it should hold as resistance, and then test this once again. But in the end, the 382 was recovered, and there is an attempt at recovering other moving averages. But remember that in the last day, the biggest signal was the death cross. And with this reversal over the past couple of days now, it's attempting to invalidate that bearish signal. Remember that we do have this bullish setup. The target is between 95 and $100, $100,000, of course, for Bitcoin. However, what stands in its way, apart from the 200 EMA, is 90K. So we can see that in the last week, there was a bearish cross between the 55 and the 100 EMA. And so the only way Bitcoin can put itself in a bullish trend once again is by recovering not only the 200 at 85 and a half, but also 90.7K. This, at that point, it would recover all the moving averages. That you then, at that point, you say it's bullish and it's starting this bullish trend. It's completely reversing the bearish crosses at that point, flipping them into bullish crosses. So there would be one last final area of resistance, and we know and well aware this is 101 to 105K if we round it up. So that will be the final ultimate test. But already, if this is recovered, as you can see, the market is going to get a push in the upward direction for altcoins, especially on the break of the 200 EMA. What we now need to understand is we've pumped into the 200 daily EMA today. What Powell said about an overreaction in the market is a positive thing. But the issue is we're approaching a very key level of resistance. You can see to the left it was recovered. That's what needs to happen today. We need to see a daily candle close through. We don't want it to see it rejected once again. That would, of course, suggest a move back down into $83,000. So a daily candle close above 200 EMA today, above the 0.5 fib, this would signal a further push up. So my expectation is dependent on the daily candle close, which comes in 4.5 hours. So my expectation, if it's above the 0.5, is that it will continue higher. My expectation, if it closes under in 4.5 hours, will be a move back down into 83,000. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to get educated, if you want to ask me any questions, use the links down below. Do the one-to-one mentorship or jump in the Discord community. I also host workshops in there to help you understand Bitcoin as well as the chart.